I'm reassembling this organ, and I'm just wiping down the grime in between the keys with Lysol wipes. Not putting any grease, not even the Yamaha grease. And the keys do have bounce. As long as you put the spring with the camber up and make sure that the rocker is seated properly and has bounce. Just totally forget about the grease and all the stuff you read online about RW40, PTFE, or Teflon powder, or even the Yamaha grease. The shop manual again doesn't show any part of the maintenance having the grease. And like I showed before, you have the camber up, and I just have a little needle nose, and I place, I'm going to wipe the spring off a little bit. I place the spring in the little slot in the cavity. You hook on the back of the key. There's a little hook. My hand's kind of occupied, but normally I would use oh, I forgot to put the key in first. I wipe the key down. Just place the key in the little slot. Make sure it's aligned. And pull it out and push it in. And there we go. And then here's your little spring. This is what I've got done so far. Everything's got bounce. No lubrication at all. So disregard my comment on one of my previous videos about using any kind of grease. There's a couple blogs online that said to use the Yamaha grease, but again, the shop manual didn't say anything about it. The actual Yamaha shop manual. And then you align this. See it. Oh, there we go. It's kind of intuitive. You just pop the little spring in there.
The Act for Symphony, kind of the curtain raiser.
Just pop it in, and there you go. And you got some really nice bounce. Just get rid of the grime. If there wasn't any factory installed lubrication, it would be on the contact points. You don't need any lubrication in between the keys. Just use the Lysol wipe, and make sure the hammer is rocking freely. That's important. And then the spring is in place. I had to glue the bottom red felt over here. I used a little silicone, 100% silicone. You see the little bounce there. Make sure the rocker is resting on the little pivot. You get a lot of good bounce. And I'm going to clean the grime off of there with Lysol wipes. Put it on there, and there's our little spring ready to be reinstalled. Here's the top looking of it. Make sure that the neck of the spring is facing up, and make sure the camber, the slight camber bowing up, is towards the keys, so it's pushing the keys up. That's pretty much it.
Recognized as a child as a genius. He and his father collaborated on an opera called
Have a good day.